Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a very fresh vlog. As you guys have already read on the thumbnail that today I'm going to pick my DJI MAVIC Air 3. It's been a really tough time for me to waiting for that. I had already pre-ordered that, but it took a long time, and I have already made a video on that I went to check that. But today finally my one is already here. I'm going to DJI store. They said you can come and pick yours, so stay with me and find out, and I will also show you the way. The city is very beautiful, so if you want to see also the city and want to see the DJI store and the DJI MAVIC Air 3, so stay with me till the end of this video. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. It means to me a lot because and it helps me a lot to grow my YouTube channel. So let's go outside. Right now I'm in my room in dormitory Xiamen University. I will go outside and show you also the city. Let's go further dive into the vlog. Okay guys, so finally right now is 2:38 p.m. and I'm here. This is the plaza. It's a very beautiful shopping center. I will show you some glimpse of that shopping center. Today is not that bright day. The weather is kind of foggy, hazy and cloudy as well, but I'm going inside to the store. I don't have to do anything else. I will pick the drone and show you the shop, and let's go with me inside to the store. Such a beautiful shopping center. I'm already inside and I need to go downstairs -2. So there is the DJI store. I'm seriously very excited to get this beast, and it will increase the cinematography skills and the technology more in my camera bag. Look at this, guys. Okay guys, so finally I got one, and this is my DJI MAVIC 3 Cine, and it's really heavy. I didn't expect that, but I'm going to pair them and I will tell you later how much did it cost in China. So thank you, thank you to him because he kept me he kept for me this one because they are selling like a very fast, and you can see all other people are also buying this the same. So he kept this one piece for me, and I will get this one. I'm really happy. I'm very excited, and this is very expensive. Like, you cannot imagine how expensive is this. But still, I'm going to buy this because when you like something and it's like a dream stuff. So yeah, I will pay right now the money, and later I will show you how much did it cost for me. Okay guys, so I'm finally back to my university. This is our school. It's a very beautiful university, #1 in China. So if you haven't been into these videos about my university, so down there in the description will be the link of my new university. So one of the most beautiful university in China, basically #1. So guys, I'm really happy and also very hungry as well. So I'll go back because I didn't have my lunch, so I'll have some lunch, some food as well. And tomorrow I'm sure I will unbox this and show all these aspects in this drone. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe and push the notification bell on. Till tomorrow, take care of you and your family. Bye bye, love you all, and peace.